Hello everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix USB not recognized and not supported problem in your device Samsung A13. So if you want to fix this problem, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix USB not connected and USB not supported problem in your device Samsung A13.